How to change your relationship on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your relationship on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click this three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click profile information and go down until you find here your relationship. Click this pin here and now here you will find married. Just click on it and click anything you want. Here you can change it to single or anything else and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.